Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I disappeared for a long period of time because I was moving house and moving across the country and traveling a lot. Anyways, it's been a total whirlwind. I'm so glad to be back. I will be doing a giveaway soon just to say thank you to all those who have stuck with me this whole time, so look out for that. That'll be in the next couple weeks. And welcome to this video. So here I will be making a meal from HelloFresh. It's the meal service that my fiance and I use. I'm not sponsored by it. I just wanted to show you guys what it was all about. And then I will be tidying up the kitchen after I cook, and then I will be doing a bunch of chores that I had to do that day anyways. So follow along with me. I hope you have fun and welcome back.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us know tonight.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me.
So the reason you're gonna see me put all of this stuff that I just cooked into Tupperware, even though we're gonna eat it tonight, is because you can't see any clocks or anything, but this is like noon, it's really early in the day. And I just wanted to have the kitchen clean and dinner made. He gets home pretty late, and that's the only time I have to spend with him during the day, and I did not want to be cleaning the kitchen late at night, or him having to clean the kitchen late at night when we should be spending time together. So I just wanted to get all of that over with, and then I could just pop it in the microwave when he gets home and wash all those dishes. So yeah.
Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
So here I start to use some products. I will link every single thing I use in the description box below in this video. So if you have a question about anything I'm using, check there first, but if you have a question about something I don't put on there, something that you see in my house, just ask me in the comments below.
Stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost, and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
So now that we live in California, we have the option of having compost picked up every week, just like we have like our trash and our recycling picked up. So we keep this little compost trash can under the sink, and there I was just replacing the liner and taking it out, and you can put like all of your extra food items in there. It's kind of cool.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you.
Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy.
I know I'm gonna get a million questions about this, so I'll go ahead and address it here. Princess is wearing little shoes. They're not balloons, they're actually made for dogs, and it's because she will scratch the floors with her little nails unless she wears them. They don't hurt her and she doesn't mind them at all. Just addressing it because I know I'm gonna get questions.
But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
We had 2 guest rooms full of guests this weekend, so 2 bedrooms were used for guests. So here I am just, I washed all the bedding already and I am remaking both of those beds. So neither of these rooms is ours. These are both guest rooms. I'll do a house tour soon and it'll all make sense.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
last thing I had to do before I stopped filming and relaxed was to feed Princess. And you can see her being super cute here. Again, I wanted to say thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome. We're friends now. And please stick around and subscribe if you want similar content. House tour coming soon and giveaway, remember, if that's not enough reason. So welcome back if you're already here. Thanks for sticking with me. And if you're new, I hope you continue to hang out on this channel. Have a good one. Bye.